Section the hair in 3 sections. Use an open bobby pin and insert it in the ponytail. Part the hair in a small section and pull it over the bobby pin, continuing to do this simultaneously on each side. This hairstyle may look complicated. My goal is to show you the simplest version to recreate this style. If the first time you attempt this style it doesn't come out right, keep trying. Practice makes perfect. After both sides have been pulled crisscross, pull both sections down underneath the ponytail and tie with the rubber band. The ponytail is complete. Pull out the bobby pin. Thank you for watching, family. Please like, subscribe, and please tell me your favorite part. Until next time.